fam. I got a lace wig, 13 by 6, but I'm so scared of, um, I'm so scared of gluing, adding that glue to my head. So why did I get it if I want to wear it as a frontal or a middle part? I'm so scared because of the effects that those chemicals and toxins can have on your reproductive health as a woman. I'm made to understand that um, most of the time, the things that cause women to have terrible periods and fibroids and cysts, endometriosis, adenomyosis, all of those things, infertility, we bought them ourselves when we were looking for beauty or enhancements. It could be your nails, could be your perfume, could be just gluing your head